In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Slack. Whether you're using Slack for work or personal projects, sometimes you need to log out, and doing so is quick and easy. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you can successfully sign out from your Slack account whenever needed. First, you'll need to open Slack. Whether you're accessing it via the desktop application or the web browser, make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Slack can be accessed on both your computer and mobile devices, so choose whichever is most convenient for you at the moment. Once you have Slack open, you'll need to log in using your credentials. You can log in with your email, or if you prefer a quicker method and have your accounts linked, you might want to use your Google or Apple account. This multi-approach login allows you to choose the method that best suits your workflow and ensures seamless access to your workspaces. After you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Now focus on selecting the appropriate workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, you'll want to make sure you're logged into the right one. Workspaces in Slack organize your channels and direct messages and are specific to different teams or projects. You'll find all your available workspaces typically listed on the left or at the top if you're using the mobile app. Click or tap on the one you wish to focus on. The next step involves locating the down arrow next to your workspace name. This is usually situated at the top of your screen on a computer. On a mobile device, you might tap on the workspace name itself to open more options. This arrow is a gateway to a menu that includes various settings and options for your workspace. Click on the arrow to open the drop-down menu where you'll find several options related to your workspace and profile. In this drop-down list, look for the Sign Out option. It's usually towards the lower end of this list. Clicking on this will effectively sign you out of the Slack workspace you're currently in. If you're using a shared computer or device, this is an important step to ensure your account remains secure. After clicking Sign Out, you might be directed back to the login screen, confirming that you have successfully logged out. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to log out of Slack in just a few steps. This process helps keep your workspace organized and your session secure, especially if you're working from a shared or public device. If there's anything more you'd like to learn about managing your Slack account, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.